A steed in need is a steed fatigued, well at least it was in this case anyway. Firefighters were called to rescue a snoring horse after it mysteriously fell into a family's swimming pool. It is not clear exactly how the unlucky nag ended up in the pool in the Arizona city of Mesa on Saturday morning. The rescue team first sedated the animal with a tranquiliser, sending it into a deep sleep so it would not panic during the rescue. They then proceeded to attach straps around its body before heaving together to haul it out of the water. The horse was then gently dragged along the ground to a sunny spot on a patch of grass to wait for a vet to